So let's have a look at how we can create a saved search. Let's say, for instance, you want to track how many people take a particular action, how many people have a particular tag. If you're tracking people watching a video or clicking a link in the email and you're applying a tag at that point, you want to have that information on your dashboard easily accessible. So the first thing to do is to go and actually create the search. So let's go to Contacts and start over. And then we go, I know that I want to keep track of a tag, a test tag I've just created for saved search. Of course, this tag can be anything you're tracking. I'm just using that title for this example. So then I go and I search for everyone who has that tag at the moment. Only one person there. Now that's my search. So now I can go and I say I want to save that search. And I can then say, okay, under the save search, I give it a name. So I'll give it that name just for reference. And I make it available to everyone, and we say save. If you were to click the box add this search to the user's home, then it'll appear on the dashboard automatically, but I'm not going to do that because I want to show you how to place it on the dashboard if there's an existing search and you want to add it to the dashboard. So we say save on that, so that has now saved that search for us. So now I want to get that on the dashboard so I can track it and at a glance view have access to it. So if I go back to home, so I go back to the dashboard, on the top right hand side you'll see there's add widgets. So I'll then say add a widget, and then if you scroll down you'll see there's the option for saved search or saved report. I add that to the dashboard and it's there. So now I have to tell it which one I want. I'll go for all categories at the moment. It's a saved search, not a saved report. And I can find ILG saved search, which is what I titled it. And I want to see the maximum number in this instance. And we'll say save. So let me just move this over here. You'll now see that it shows me who the person is that's got it, and it'll show me the number. There's one of one has got that information. We can go view all results. If there were multiple people, we can go view all results, and then it'll give us the whole list. So what I can then do is, let's say I go back to my contacts, because whenever anyone else then gets that tag, they'll appear in that list as well. So if we say start over, and I'm just going to do a search with no criteria, so it should show me all my contacts, and then I'm going to apply some tags to all these people so that I can show you how the list then updates. So if I just go action and I want to apply or remove a tag, then I want to apply a tag, and it's the saved search tag I want to apply. So I say save and process the action. Now at this point it's now in the background busy applying that tag to all of those people. So if I now go back to my dashboard, you'll see it still says one of one because it's possibly not finished. You can click to refresh, and there you go. Now we've got 7. Now that's a dynamic list. As people come and go, they apply the tag, you get the tag removed by certain actions, anything like that. That list will update, and then you can keep an eye on how many people you've got there, if it's something you want to track, who's in that list. And it's just an easy way for you to have something on the dashboard that you track there and then.